Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. We are going to make the world's simple and effective fire alarm or flame sensitive alarm. Here we are using a simple and cheap fire sensor module which is connected to the alarm circuit. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. This is the fire sensor module we are using. The advantage of this module is this is having analog output as well as digital output. We can even adjust the flame sensitivity using the preset which is provided in the module itself. The pin details are this is plus VCC which is 3.3 volt to 5 volt. This is ground and this is digital output and this is analog output. This is power LED and this is digital out LED. Whenever the module detects flame, the digital output LED will light up. We are not soldering directly to the module. Instead of that, we are using this socket for connecting to the module. These female sockets are cheaply available in the market. Normally, this is available as a 40-pin female socket and we will cut this to our needs. Normally what we are doing is the sensor or flame detector LED will be detached from the module and fixed in the flame detection area and will be connected using long wire to the sensor circuit. The detection angle of the sensor LED is only 60 degree. So we will be using multiple sensor LED which is connected to the same sensor circuit for covering more area. The alarm circuit is given at the end of this video. We will first test this module and then connect it to the alarm circuit. Please watch the video completely because at the testing time we will be doing the calibration of the module to high sensitivity. Let us start assembling the alarm circuit. We need to calibrate the module to very high sensitivity to the flame. For that, first we need to turn the preset to very high sensitivity mode. Then the module will be on by sensing the heat frequency or temperature frequency of the surrounding. Now we will turn the preset in opposite direction so that the digital out LED or alarm will be off. Now the module is ready to detect the flame. Let's test that. If you have any doubt or suggestions related to this circuit or the module, please comment on this video. If you believe that this video is helpful to you, then please click like button and also share this video to your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.